Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com today to give you just a quick update of some of the new scents we have brought on from Taylor of Old Bond Street. We just got a couple in. I just wanted to quickly go over them with you. We got the Royal Forest, and this is a brand new scent from Taylor and quite exceptional. Very, very nice, kind of a sweet aroma. It does kind of have just a touch of some kind of piney, kind of woody smell, but it is very nice. It doesn't have like a overpowering, like, you know, you're out in the middle of the forest kind of smell. It says that it's inspiring fragrances with notes of bergamot and apple, mid notes of jasmine and black pepper, and lingering base notes of amber and vanilla. And that amber and vanilla is probably the sweet kind of smell. And yeah, a little bit of apple, I can definitely smell that. And the bergamot is really nice. So that's Royal Forest. Next up is the lemon and lime. Lemon and lime, I got it right. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It smells like you're opening up a can of 7-Up. Very nice. Classic. If you like citrus, you like lemon and lime, you like gin and tonics, I think this is a great smell. So pretty self-explanatory what that is. This is something that they released just a couple months ago. We picked it up. This is the Platinum. Everyone's using the word platinum these days. Very, very modern, very clean. It does smell a little bit like fine platinum. Doesn't say what the notes are in here, but I think the closest thing I could compare it to would be like that Aventus kind of smell. Very similar to that, and very, very modern. It's the only word I can describe it. It doesn't smell old school at all. It's very clean, masculine, young, hip. And last but not least, Aloe Vera, which again is pretty self-explanatory. That's going to smell like kind of a sweet kind of smell, you know, earthy. It's not overpowering. It's very nice, actually. So another scent from Taylor of Old Bond Street, which is one of my favorite soap lines we carry, and it does very well. Customers seem to love it. High quality product at a very great price. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update with some of these new scents we're carrying. If you leave a comment about these scents or any other Taylor of Old Bond Street product you've used, you're entered to win this, the official Razor Emporium t-shirt. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, click that bell to notify you when we release a new video, and I'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.